Hi everyone, nice meeting you all. Be safe and take healthy food. Fine. So we have been seeing some classes in Tamil and English, and probably the later classes which we have seen was mostly practical oriented. So remember that instead of theoretical knowledge, if you have more practical knowledge, it's easy to work on it. Okay, fine. So today we'll see, like, sometimes you'll see that your system is slow when you're bought the new system or a new mobile. Initially it is fast, and later on, after 3 to 4 months after extensive use of that instrument, you'll feel that it has become slow when you open an application or when you run an application. Why does this happen? You know that whenever an application is open, there is a link file taken from your operating system. So what happens is, the computers understand that whenever you're going to open an application, you're going to use it often. It assumes, okay, so it takes that file and keeps it in your memory. So instead of taking every time from your OS application, so it actually takes a copy of it and stores in your memory. So whenever you're using multiple application, so every link file from your operating system is taken and dumped in your or kept in your memory for the loss of time. So it actually overcomes the loss of time. So that microsecond is saved instead of taking from your operating system. So here what happens is, so whenever you're trying to go for multiple application, so your memory is dumped with lot of link files. So unless and until it is erased, your system won't be fast, your application won't be fast. So what we need to do here is, we'll have to clear that files in your memory, so that whenever you open an application, it becomes faster to run that application, because your memory will be empty. If already a memory is overloaded, your new application will be slow. Example, when you are told to do a task of doing 3 works at a time, what happens? So you won't know which to work on it or which to complete it. So in the same way, what happens in your memory is, when a lot of files is dumped, the application which you are running becomes slow. So you'll have to clear all the files from your memory. So how do I do that? Okay, so you have some 4 commands in that. In run command, you have to type that command in run. Okay, open that run command, type in that file or that command, then clear that files which is inside that folder. Example I've given here. One is temp file, another is %temp %, another is recent, another is prefetch. So this is all installed in your OS. Okay, so you needn't have to download or install, take from the outer source. It is already in your operating system. But how to get in that and clear the files to make your system faster? So same commands are already there in your mobile also. You'll have to search for it. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm going to just teach you only in your computers. Okay, fine. Shall we do that? Okay, how do I get into it? So first what you have to do is hit Windows and R. So I get a command. Okay, fine. So once I press Windows and R, I get a command run. Run command, you'll have to type temp, enter. You'll be seeing number of files inside that temp folder. Select all, then delete. So the files are getting deleted. So this gets deleted from your memory. Okay, you can close it. Again, go for your command. Now you'll have to type percentage temp percentage. Click on it. You'll be seeing a lot of files, around 138 files is there. How much? 138 files. So which is actually dumped in your memory, and your system becomes slow. That is, your applications become slow to run another application or your existing application. Again, what you do, select. Okay, it asks that whether you want to continue. Yes. So you are able to see that files are getting deleted. Okay. Okay, here I give you a tip. Like at present, when you are using a file which is running an application, it will ask you whether you want to skip, because if that is deleted again, it has to take it, drag from your OS application. So instead you can say skip. Okay. Okay, so the present files cannot be deleted as it is being used now. So till whichever is cleared, I am coming out from that page. Okay. Again, type. Now hit your Windows and R. Come back to your temp run command. Now you type recent. So in recent files, I have around 58 files items. So what I have to do again now is select and delete it. Again, go back to your run command. Now you select prefetch, type prefetch. So it will be asking that you don't currently have permission to access this folder, but still you want to continue. It will be asking. You'll have to continue. You're able to see around 266 files are there. Okay, so which is actually accumulating my memory there as an waste. So I'll have to clear it to see that my memory is free to run. Okay, select. So it's asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete 266 items? It's getting deleted. Okay, so this one file is being presently used. So it's asking you, okay, the action can't be completed because the file is open in Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. That file is being opened now, so I don't want to clear now. Still you want to do that or try again, it will be asking. It will be prompting. So now at present you can say skip. So it gets completed and that file keeps, it's running there. So we don't want to disturb that. Okay, now you will find that what you need to do is you have to refresh. Okay, as well as if you have time you can restart it. Okay, this is how you make your system faster. So you understand that what is this all about? See, actually you are removing an unwanted files which is actually getting dumped in your memory. Fine? Okay. Well, do this every week so that your system is faster, and it will be very useful for your computers to be faster. Okay, and you needn't have to go for any memory upgrade or any service for your computers. It is just simply a file is getting dumped in your memory which you have to clear it. That's all, and your system is ultimately becomes a faster machine, as new as when you bought it. Okay, thank you. Keep going.